I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Stryd to Garmin. First, make sure your Stryd pod is fully charged and awake. A quick shake usually does the trick. Next, have your Garmin watch powered on and within close proximity to the Stryd pod. You'll then navigate to the sensor settings menu on your Garmin device, which is typically found under the main settings or activity profiles. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Once in the sensor settings, select the option to add sensor, and then specifically choose foot pod from the available types. Your Garmin watch will now begin searching for nearby sensors. Keep your Stryd pod still to aid detection. Within a few moments, you should see your Stryd pod appear in the list of detected sensors. Confirm the connection to pair the devices, ensuring a stable link for accurate data. After successfully pairing, it's time to configure your data fields to display the valuable power metrics from Stryd. Go into your preferred activity profile, such as Run, and edit the data screens. You'll want to add data fields like power and lap power to see real-time wattage. For a more complete picture, consider including average power as well. This customization allows you to view your running power directly on your watch during your workouts. For optimal accuracy, it's important to disable your Garmin's internal accelerometer for pace and distance, allowing Stryd to be the sole source. This setting is usually found within the footpod's specific options. Confirm that Stryd is set as the primary source for both pace and distance. Finally, perform a short outdoor run, perhaps for 5 to 10 minutes, to verify that the data, especially pace and power, is accurately displayed and recorded. This ensures your setup is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.